and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. I'm also the immigrant coach. And my coaching minute for today is really how to make friends. Friends, I'm not going to say I'm an expert at making friends. I'm not at all. And friends are very important. We are social creatures, we human beings. And it's like, yeah, we need to be able to make friends. So I'm not an expert in it, but if you think about it, there's somebody that might be in your life that might be an expert at it. And it might be about 2 feet tall, and it might have 4 legs and a tail, and it might wag its tail a super lot, right? There's a reason that they call dogs, a man's best friend, all right? And if we think about it, I had dogs growing up, and I don't have a dog right now, and I would love to get one, and it's just a question of my my current living space that prevents me from having a dog for my 2 kids, right? Because that was like a big part of my childhood, right? But if you think about dogs, like, they are selfless. They're not really worried. They're not really concerned about like what's in it for them. They will come to you and they will wag their tail and they will jump on you and they will lick you and they will be so happy to see you, right? Because it's not about them, it's about you, all right? And that's actually the key to being a really outstanding friend. If you want to be an outstanding friend to other people, have your conversations be about them. Have your focus be about them. If you want everyone to like you, what you need to do is you need to like everyone else. The more you like others and the more you're focused on others, you're what we could consider outward focused, all right? If you are outward focused instead of focusing on your own issues or your own problems or your own challenges or whatever, right? If you can focus on helping other people with their problems, with their issues, with their challenges in their lives, right? You will make friends. It's actually like the key, right? It is the key to being able to make friends in any situation, all right? You focus on the other person. So I hope that was helpful, and yeah, I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the immigrant coach. We do have lots of coaching programs here in our office, and we have some coming up, and I'd love to have you there. And we talk about this. We talk about, what areas of your life could you, look at, could you improve, could you tweak, and we take it one step at a time. They are very fun, but they're also very deep. And I do think that they produce pretty outstanding results. And so I'd love to have you there. And if you have questions about it, please contact our office. Thank you so much for watching this. Please also subscribe to our channel. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm your immigrant coach. We're here so that you achieve your American dream. Thank you so much.